with the ITC or International Trade Commission has ruled that Insta360 broke federal law with projects that infringe GoPro's intellectual property covering GoPro's iconic Hero camera design. A press release from GoPro said the judge found that Insta360 infringed on the patent covering GoPro's iconic Hero camera design as well as its validation of multiple payment claims covering GoPro's industry-leading HyperSmooth video stabilization. Insta360 characterized the decision differently, saying that the judge ruled that GoPro's five utility patents related to stability, horizon leveling, distortion, and aspect ratio conversion are invalid, not infringed of both. The ITC launched into investigation into Insta360 in 2024 following a complaint by GoPro. In the complaint, GoPro said that Insta360 infringed on a patent for novel and proprietary SuperView virtual lens, HyperSmooth, and horizon level technology in the company's Hero and Max cameras. The judge ruling is an initial determination. A final determination on all of GoPro's infringement claims against Insta360 is expected to issue by November 10th. GoPro